name is Ash. Abiodun Olatoji. You call me Ash TV, and the ladies, they call me Ash, baby. Today, as part of our ongoing voiceover public speaking service, we shall differentiate between the sounds of alphabets and the sounds of phonemes. One of the reasons people don't speak right is using alphabet sounds for phonemic sounds interchangeably. This is so unfortunate, as you can see. These sounds are alphabet sounds, basically A, B, C, D, E, and they are different from phonetic sounds. These sounds are derived from their symbols. The alphabet of every language has its corresponding phonetic symbols and sounds, which is different from the alphabet sounds. I hope you're not confused thus far. You do not pronounce a word